Hello, my name is Vivek Dumbare. I have completed my BE Mechanical from Keystone School of Engineering in 2021 with 7.4 CGPA. After completing my engineering, I have joined Qspiders Wakad for Java full stack development course. The teachers teaching here are very excellent. They give deep knowledge about every coding language. As I am from mechanical, still they are that much expert and that much intelligent, and they gives us too much deeply knowledge. As like I'm from mechanical background, still I didn't get any difficulties for learning the coding languages, and mock interviews and grooming interviews are very useful to get placed in company or prepare for an company interview. This helps me a lot. I have placed in TCS Mumbai with 3 LP package.